Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Google Sheets with apps step by step. Connecting Google Sheets with other applications can help automate tasks, sync data, and improve productivity. So let's get started. First, open Google Sheets and select the spreadsheet you want to connect to another app. Next, click Extensions in the top menu. From the drop-down menu, select Add-ons and then Get Add-ons. The Google Workspace Marketplace will open. Use the search bar to find the app or integration you want to connect to Google Sheets. For example, you might search for tools that connect with email platforms, project management apps, CRM systems, or automation services. Once you find the app you want, click on it. Then click Install. Review the permissions and click Continue. Choose your Google account and grant the requested permissions. After installation is complete, return to Google Sheets. Click Extensions again. You should now see the installed app listed in the menu. Open the app from the Extensions menu and follow the setup instructions. Depending on the app, you may be asked to sign in, connect an account, or select data to sync. After the setup is complete, the app can begin importing, exporting, or updating information directly from your spreadsheet. Many integrations can also automate repetitive tasks, reducing manual work and improving accuracy. You can manage or remove installed integrations anytime by returning to Extensions, then Add-ons. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Google Sheets with an app. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.